Hello everyone. Now let us learn long division method. For a perfect square number or non-perfect square number, write the number as it is, draw one line upward to this by leaving some space, and pair the numbers from the units digit. Pair numbers from units digit. First step is this. I paired the numbers. Now here first pair is 2. We should subtract this number from another number which is less than this number and which is also a perfect square to this number. Here less than this 2 is, and which is a perfect square is 1. So write 1 here and here and here. Subtract this one. We will get 2 minus 1 1, and take this pair down 35 135. Now here we should add this number, same number 1, that is 2. Now draw one box here, another box here, another box here. Here multiply here and add here. That means if you write a number in this box, these three boxes should contain the same number. If you write a number here, so for example 2, here also you should write 2. 2 into 2, 4, and 2 into 2, 4, 44, which is less than 135. But we should need a number which is less than 135 and nearer to 135. Okay, here I will suggest you a simple trick that close the last number. Here you get 13 if you close the last number. 13, check 13 with this first digit 2. First digit is 2. Does 13 is divisible by 2? No. Less than 13, 12 is divisible by 2. That means 6. If you write 6 here, 6 6 36, 6 and carry 3, 6 to 12, 12 plus 3, 15, which is above greater than this number. We need less than this number. So we can take 5 here. 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 2, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12, that is 125, and write the same number in this box. Subtract. 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 0, and add this 25 plus 5 30, and draw box. Here 10 is less than 30. Here again, if you add a number and multiply any number with this, we cannot get 10. So we need a decimal point. We keep the decimal point here and we can add 2 zeros. Now I told a trick that close the last digit, which is 100. 100 in the 30, how many times the 100 is divisible? 3 times, that is 90. So keep the 3 here, write the 3. 3 3s 9, 3 zeros 0, 3 3s 9. Subtract. We will get 91, and add here 306. Again, here we should write 3. Here 91 is less than this one, so add 2 zeros. Already we kept the decimal point. We can add as much zeros as we want, as we need, and close the last one, 306. If you see here 306, if you multiply 306 with 3, 18, 1, 307, 918, which is greater than this 910. If you close the last digit, so we are taking 2 here. 2 2s 4, 2 6 12, 1 1, 3 2 6. Subtract. How much? 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, and 10 minus 1, 9, 8 minus 6, 2. You wrote 2 here, you should write 2 here, and 4. Now you can do this process. How many after the decimal point, how many digits you need? You can continue this process up to your need. This is how the long division method is performed. The square root of 235 is 15.32. 15.32, which is the result present in the top. This is how the long division method is performed.